Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss a new chapter, chapter number 6, Expert Detectives. Here, detectives means a person who wants to know the information of everything. So, before going to start the lesson, we look at the before reading. Nishad, a boy of 7, also called 7 because his name means the 7th note on the musical scale, and his 10-year-old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room and Nishad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face badly scared? Why has he no friends? Nishad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath has a patient who is very polite. So here Nishad is the main character of the lesson. He is also called as 7 because Nishad is a seventh musical note on musical scale. Okay. You see in the Google, Nishad is a 7th musical note on musical scale. Then he had a sister Maya. She is a 10-year-old. His sister Maya is very curious to know about their neighbor Mr. Nath. Okay, so Maya is very curious to know about Mr. Nath. So one day Nishad was playing outside his marble. Then one day the marble was rolled into the Mr. Nath's room, and it is very helpful to him because they get a chance to see him. They get a chance to visit the house of Mr. Nath and then to see him. Okay, so Nishad thinks that has he croak on the run means his girlfriend is run away. Here croak means a person who is going to cheating. Okay, means he thinks that he had a girlfriend, she is run away means she is cheating him. So Nishad said to his sister why his face was badly scaled, means badly marked, so many marks on his face. Why? What happened to him? So why he has no friends? So he only live alone in the house. Why he had no friends? He asked. So children like these, Nishad and his sister may think about Mr. Nath. Okay, let us read the lesson. Expert detectives. As we walked back towards the clinic, 7 said, "He doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. He can't be poor if he is a crook on the run. He can't be poor if he is a crook on the run, I told him. He's probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Do you really think he's a criminal, Maya?" "He doesn't look like one." Nishad looked doubtful. "Of course he is one, 7, I said. And he certainly isn't starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs." So children, see, Nishad's mother very well knows Mr. Nath because she is a doctor. He is her patient. She told him every time he is a very polite person, means he is a very kind person. So once 7 means Nishad and Maya went to clinic. On the way they were talking about Mr. Nath. 7 said to his sister, "He looks like a monster." Here monster means dangerous person. Maya also tells, "You see how thin he is." Nishad think that he is very poor and he can't afford to eat. Okay, so they think that he is very criminal person, and then he is very dangerous, and then he is very thin person because he can't able to eat anything. Okay, then they were think that really his girlfriend was cheated him. he was not a poor. So really his girlfriend was cheated him. He was not a poor person. He had millions of rupees hide anywhere or somewhere in his room. Okay, then Nishad asked Maya, do you really think he is a criminal? So Nishad asked Maya, do you think he is a criminal? He doesn't look like a all. Andre, he doesn't look like all people. So he looks like a criminal one. So Nishad is a very doubtful about Mr. Nath. But Maya said to Nishad, of course he looks like a one. So Maya said to Nishad, no, he looks like all. Certainly he was not starving. Means he was also eating the food. He also had the food because Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings the food for him from the downstairs of a restaurant. So every day Ramesh bring the food for him from the restaurant of downstairs. Okay. So he is not a starving. He is a thin person because he is a very sick. So that why he is a thin. So not from starving. So next, in the next page, but Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he does not work anywhere. So how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nishad said. Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have a lots of money hidden somewhere. Maybe in that trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels and... What rubbish, Nishad interpreted. I know I'm right. Stupid, I told him. By the way, Savan, did you see his scars? I couldn't. It was too dark. But I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars, Nishad said firmly. So children, in the next page, Nishad said Maya, he does not work anywhere. Okay, so how he can have money to buy the food from outside? So once Mr. Mehta told them he does not work anywhere. Okay, how can they think that the both children are think that how can it possible to buy the outside food without have money? Okay. So when Nishad told like that, Maya told exactly right. He must hidden his money somewhere on his room. So he had a huge amount of money. So every day he was buying the food from outside. Somewhere he hides his money in his room. So he had a trunk. They also think that he had a trunk in his room. So really it had a full of gold and silver. So the trunk had a full of gold and silver and money. So but Maya scolds Nishad, what rubbish you going to telling Maya think what she writes on her own way. So she also asked Savan, did you see his scars? Did you see his scars? Means permanent mark on the skin. But Nishad said, when I went for getting marbles in his room, it was too dark, so I can't able to see his mark on the face. But Maya told she bet definitely he got a shootout from the police or something, from police or criminal. Definitely he got a shootout. So that wise the big mark on his face. So then Nishad said, Mummy quite clearly said that they were going to burn the scars. So it is removable only from the burning. So they burn the scars. So it is only removable from burning only. Okay. So some doctors or some therapy is there to remove the big mark from the skin. So they burn from rays. Okay, some rays, some using of rays, they were burn the mark then it is removable. Okay, like these they were talking about. So Mr. Nath, they think that he was poor firstly, then he had a big amount of money, then he was a criminal, like that children. So like this they were think like that. In the next, we will continue in the next video. The next pages we will continue in the next video. You have to write these page number 80. You have to write the page number 85 in your homework book, paragraph number 1, 2, 3, from has to downstairs, once in your homework book. Okay, thank you children.